Good morning dear students and parents. Welcome to UKG English Language class. In today's class, I am going to teach you all 5 sentences on the topic a parrot. Can you see this picture, children? Which picture is this? Can you recognize this bird? Yes, it is a parrot. So today we are going to learn these sentences about this parrot. So come, let's start. Number 1. A parrot is a pet bird. What is a pet bird, children? Birds which are kept in our homes are called pet birds. Number 2. It is kept in a cage. Do you know what is a cage, children? Look here. This is a cage. Our pet birds are kept in cages. Number 3. It has green feathers. As you can see, this parrot is green in color. That means its feathers are green. Number 4. It has a red beak. You can see its beak is red in color. Number 5. It eats gram and chilies. Do you know what is gram, children? Look here. This is gram. These are grains. Parrots love eating them. They also like to eat chilies. Do you like to eat chilies? Yes, but don't try them. Parrots love eating gram and chilies. The next picture on the board is of an elephant. Children, now I am going to teach you all 5 sentences about an elephant. So come, let's start. Number 1. An elephant is a wild animal. What are wild animals, children? Animals that live in the jungle are called wild animals. They are very dangerous. Number 2. It has a long trunk. You can see this elephant has a long nose. Its long nose is called a trunk. Number 3. It has 2 tusks. What are tusks? Do you know what are tusks? An elephant's teeth are called tusks. An elephant has 2 long white tusks. Number 4. It lives in the jungle. As you can see, this elephant is in the jungle. So, an elephant lives in the jungle. You can also see it in a zoo. Number 5. It eats bananas and sugarcane. What are bananas, children? These are bananas. Elephants love eating bananas. They also like sugarcane. This is sugarcane. Don't all of you like bananas and sugarcane? Yes, very good. An elephant also loves them. Today we learned 5 sentences on 2 topics. The first one was a parrot and the second one an elephant. Children, you all need to memorize these sentences and also practice different sentences if you can. Worksheets related to these topics will be uploaded on your school website. Parents, please help them to memorize these sentences and do their worksheets properly. Thank you.